Every once in a while I like to show some of the more simple things, so like how to take off a mask. I just recently came from the gym, did some errands, so now my mask is dirty, so I'm going to take it off. This is how I do it. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hand sanitizer. That's going to make it the most likely that when I'm touching my mask or my hat and my headphones, that if there's COVID on it, that I'm not going to be spreading it everywhere. So I'm going to take these off. And then what I do with my mask is I pinch these little things right here. I used to pull it over like this, but then the snapping motion of that made me worried that it was going to kick up COVID particles. So what I do now is I'll pinch, pull, and then throw it back, and then straight away go straight into my trash right here. So what that'll look like is like this, and then I like hold my breath a little bit while I'm doing that. So I go all in one fluid motion, and then my hands are dirty since they touched my mask. Despite using those little straps, which are for a safe way to grab and readjust your mask. So I'm going to be doing that, sterilizing, and then I'm going to put my hat back on because I like wearing my hat, and then getting my headphone directions there, and then I'm going to put my glasses on, which I had off. And then just one more time, so that anything I just picked up, if there's something on my hat or anything like that, don't have to worry about it. So now I can touch my phone fine. And that's just how I do that.